right angle triangle ABC 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A, tan A. Okay. And right angle triangle ABC AB ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు 8 centimeter, BC 15 centimeter ఇచ్చాడు, 17 AC 17 ఇచ్చింది. Then find sin A, cos A, tan A. Sin A opposite by hypotenuse is equal to opposite ఉంటుంది 15 by 17. Then cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent ఎంత ఉంది 8 centimeter by 17. Then tan A is equal to opposite sin by cos, opposite by adjacent, is equal to opposite ఎంత 15 centimeter, adjacent 8 centimeter. అంతే ఫ్రెండ్స్, అయిపోయింది లెక్క. థ్యాంక్ యూ.